In this video, we will show you how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy phone. The entire process is pretty basic and you don't need to install third-party apps to do this. There are a couple of ways to do this, and the first one is by using the volume down and power buttons. So open the page or go to the screen you want to take the screenshot of. Then press the volume down button and the power key at the same time and release them quickly. You will hear a shutter sound and see a flash on the screen, indicating that a screenshot has been taken. A toolbar will then appear at the bottom of the screen, showing you a few options you can do with the screenshot. Now, the second method is called palm swipe, and as the name implies, you simply have to swipe the side of your palm from one edge to the other to take a screenshot. Place the edge of your palm on the edge of the device's screen, and in one smooth motion, slide your palm across the display. You can do this in either direction. The screen will flash and a toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen, indicating you have successfully taken a screenshot. If the palm swipe doesn't work, then make sure it's enabled by going to Settings and tap Advanced Features. Select Motions and Gestures and look for palm swipe to capture. Make sure the switch next to it is enabled. After that, try to take a screenshot using the method. You can view the screenshots using Gallery, as screenshots are apparently pictures. Or you can open the screenshots folder using My Files by following this path, and that's pretty much it. We hope this tutorial can be helpful. Thanks for watching.